E.V.S. Chapter 16 Safety Rules. Page number 83. Staying away from danger is called safety. There are many ways in which we can get harmed if we are not careful. It is important to live safely and follow safety rules. We should follow safety rules at home, at school, and on the road. At home, we should not play with things like scissors, knife, blade, switches and wires, medicines, matchsticks. We should not touch the following things with wet hands: an iron, an oven, a geyser, a toaster. We should always put away our toys after playing with them. At school, some safety rules that we should follow at school are: Number 1. We should not push each other on the stairs or while boarding the school bus. Number 2. We should always walk in a queue. Number 3. We should not push each other on a swing or a slide. We should always wait for our turn. Number 4. We should never stand in front of a swing. Always stand at the back. Number 5. We should always throw waste in a dustbin. Safety rules on the road. We need to be very safe on the road. Some safety rules that we should follow on the road are: Number 1. Never try and walk alone on the road. Always take an adult with you. Number 2. We should not play or run on the road. Number 3. We should never keep our hands or other body parts outside the window when traveling in a moving car or a bus. Number 4. We should always cross the road with an adult. It is important to follow safety rules if we want to stay safe and away from harm. First aid. Despite following safety rules, we may get hurt at times. It is very important to help when someone gets hurt. The immediate help given to an injured person is known as first aid. Two important rules that should always be followed are: never crowd around a person who is hurt. Call an elder or a doctor immediately. It is important to know how to give first aid to people whenever required. Let us learn some common first aid rules. In case of cuts and wounds, clean the wounds with clean water first. Then use an antiseptic lotion like Dettol or Savlon and call an adult. In case of burns, putting ice cubes and cold water helps. You can even put an antiseptic ointment after that. In case of a fall, we can put ice cubes on the bruised area till help arrives. It is important to keep a first aid box ready at school as well as at home. If a person needs to be taken to a hospital, then with the help of an elder person, dial 102 and call an ambulance. Did you know, children? If you put sugar on a cut, you can stop it from bleeding. We should help each other in times of need. We should always provide first aid to people when they are hurt. Now children, let's remember some keywords. Safety, the state of being safe. Boarding, getting on a bus, train, ship or aeroplane. First aid, immediate help given to an injured person before help arrives. Antiseptic, something that stops germs from growing and causing an infection. Ointment, a smooth cream that can be rubbed on the skin to heal a wound.